Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you how to reverse a given string in C++ programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, leaving a comment, and most importantly by subscribing. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. Sa mga kababayan ko po dito sa Pilipinas, mga kapwa ko pong Pilipino, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta sa channel ko. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang mga video ko sa channel ko, paki-like lang po, share, and paki-subscribe. Maraming salamat po guys. Okay, so magsimula na po tayo. So let's get started. So I'm using dev C++ in writing this program. I would like to mention a good friend, my close friend, Tom, who give us an idea in creating this program. Thank you very much, Tom, for the support in my channel. So sharp include IOStream for input-output. In every C++ program, sharp include string. We will be using this library file later on in our program. Int main, it is the starting point of every C++ program, starting and ending point. Line number 5, we have left curly bracket for begin, steady console out, new line for formatting. And then we have here reverse a string in C++, \t, new line here, steady string, original string, we given here, declaration C++ programming. To reverse, there is a function called reverse underscore string that is belongs in our library file string. So original r begin, original end. So this function is a built-in function in this library file that makes programming in C++ using the library file string much easier and faster. So in this line of code, we display the original given string, that is C++ programming, and then the reverse equivalent, new line and end of program, which informs the user that the program has been indented. And then we have here new line and then we close. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. Okay, let us compile and run to see the result. Okay, so we have here reverse a string in C++, original string, C++ programming, reversed. We have here the result and end of program. Okay, so let us change the text. Let's say for example, we have here Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines, the place where I am living. Okay, so let us save first, compile and run. Okay, so we have here the result now, reverse a string in C++, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines, the original string, the reverse string we have here, and end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new on how to reverse a string using reverse underscore string function in string library in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.